How to make your online class very interesting and not boring. How to use some games in your class, or how to gamify it. To do this, we will need to use this application or this website, which is called learningapps.org. It's very famous and free. It's completely free. At first, we need to log in this website. Here we type the email and password if you have an account on this website. But if you don't have an account here, we need to click on register new account. Here we type our email, password, the new password, and repeat it again. Here we need to click on this square to accept the terms and conditions. Here we need to type this code that the website has given us. And after that, we click on register an account. After we have finished all this and now we have an account, we can log in. We need to type the password and the email. I have my password and email registered on this website. Let's click on login. And here is my account. Okay, let's check the website. Here you can find a group of games that people had designed previously for the students. You can find anything that you want. For example, let's search for some games about pronouns. Here we'll find multiple games that people had designed earlier for their students. We can choose the best one to share with our students. But what if I want to create my own application or my own games? Let's click on create an app. Here are the steps that we need to use to create our game or our own app. At first, we need to have an idea. After that, we pick the best template that suits the idea that we have. Number three, we need to fill in the content to use the pictures and the words or the sounds that we have designed earlier to use in our games. Number four, we need to save our application. And finally, we share it with our students to play with. Okay, let's check the first kind of games that we have, which is matching pairs. In this exercise or in this game, we choose two things to be matched with each other, like matching words with pictures or words with sounds and so on. Let's click on it. And this is how the game looks like. Okay, let's create our own game of this kind. Let's click on create new application. Here we can write the title or the name of the topic. Let's say something like fruit. Okay, let's go down. Here you can choose the pairs or things that you want to match with each other. For example, we want to match some pictures with some words. This is the first pair. It has to parse. Okay, let's click on image here. You can choose the images from multiple sources, whether from your phone or your laptop, like this option here, or you can type or paste the link of a picture that you found online here and so on. And you can get some pictures from the Wikipedia or Pixpage from here. Okay, let's click on this one here to import some pictures from my own laptop. Okay, let's choose this one, for example. Apple. And here is the picture. We need to match this picture with the word apple. Let's click on the text here and let's type it, apple. This is the first pair that will be matched with each other. What if I want to add more pairs? Let's click on add another element and choose a picture from here, from our laptop. This picture, for example. It is for carrots. We need to match this picture with the word carrots. Okay, our game is ready now, but we need to do something here. Let's click on this one. Make matching pairs disappear. This means if the kids or the students choose correctly the correct word with the correct picture, they should disappear. Let's go down. And this is the message that you want to show to your students if they succeeded in doing that. Just click on finish editing. Wow, we got our game ready, but how to play it? Okay, let's match the word with the picture. Let's drag the word on the picture. Wow, it has disappeared. This means that you answered correctly. Let's do the same one here. Great, and this is the message that we have designed earlier for our students. Let's go down and click on Save App. Okay, let's log in again. And this is our game ready. We can share this game with our students via this link here next to share. Click on it and you can copy it and paste it to your students through WhatsApp or whatever the way you're using to connect to contact with your students. And here you can embed this link on your website or your blog if you want to keep it there. And it appears directly without going to the website again. And this is the first kind of games. Okay, let's move to another kind of games, or let's check the rest of the games. Here we have multiple kinds of games, like group assignment games or timeline, in which we ask our students to arrange, for example, some events of a story, which one happened first, which one happened in 1901, which event that happened at 2015, and so on. Let's move to another kind of games. We have closed text in which some students need to complete with some choices or some empty places that they need to type in, multi-MCQ questions here, and this one, audio and video notices. In this part, we choose video that will stop at particular points, and at these points, our students will be asked to give some answers about these questions. The Millionaire game, which one of the most famous games here, and word grid games, crossword games. All these games need to be filled in. Okay, you just give them some information or some texts and pictures.